Alright, getting a new set with a spring in place. I'm just going to hold it with my Allen wrench like this and feed it back into the holes. And that way your spring and your gasket are together and you're not trying to feed them to line up right. This actually works really well, pretty easy. You can just use your finger to press that down. Let me show you what that looks like. See how I got them seated back in there? Alright, so now I guess the new ball, or the ball, has got a line in it. See that line? That line is going to line up inside of here. And this one, it's on my right side. That actually holds it in place. Which one is it? This one? Like that. And I cannot remember which way it went. It doesn't say. I do have a, okay. There's a little white piece, a nub sticking out here. If you look on your ring, you've got a nub right there. So this goes over your ball mechanism, and those nubs line up. Okay? Right now it doesn't want to go down in there, but we're going to secure it with this other little thing. You got to hand tighten it quite a bit. If your gaskets are holding, they're only going to hold if they have enough pressure. Apparently, you can have enough pressure by hand tightening it if you got strong hands. So let's feed this back in here. And my Allen wrench is stuck. There we go. Okay. Cold water? Hot water. This moves from side to side. And the most important thing is, I don't have any water coming around the outside. So I'm going to call that complete. Now, I'm just a dude. I'm not a fix-it man. I'm not a know-it-all kind of guy. I don't really know what I'm doing. Although I've worked on this sink probably 10 times over the years trying to get this thing right. And I will say, the more you do it, the more you understand about it. I've worked on this thing a lot, and if you look at the things that we use in the house, this one piece gets used by everybody more than any other thing in the house. More than, well, I guess, yeah, more than any light switch, more than any toilet. This sink is touched by everybody in the house and gets used by everybody in the house. If you think about how many times people come in the kitchen to wash their hands, you know, they come in here and all the time, just turn it on and off, on and off, on and off. So this thing gets manhandled by more people than you realize. Every so often, some of your parts go bad. So you get one of those little universal kits, and you can replace it yourself. And the kit's got a little tool in it that you can use. Works pretty good. So, if I can do it, and I don't know what I'm doing, then you can probably do it. But if you have any questions, I would say go online, look up the part that you have, try and find out what needs to be done to fix it or replace it, and see if you can do it yourself. Probably can. Give it a shot. These parts on the inside of these things go bad pretty often because, like I said, it is the most used thing in your house, more than you realize. So that's it. Now I'm gonna clean up my mess, and when my wife gets up I can tell her, hey, by the way, I think I fixed the sink. And probably in about a week or so she'll go, nope, it's broke still. But that's the way it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching.